This 2,100 plus square foot townhome is just minutes to I-95 and the commuter rail stations in Attleboro. Affordable natural gas heats this home and services the fireplace and cooking needs. This newly renovated community compares to newly built townhomes in Attleboro with new exterior envelopes. 12 buildings contain 51 residential units with varying square footage and amenities. This newly listed unit is one of the complex's largest here at Sugar Creek. Countertops are granite and the backsplash is custom with gas range and high-end appliances included. This extended kitchen has a comfortable breakfast nook for informal dining and company for the cook. A Bosch dishwasher and quality stainless fridge stay with the sale. A natural gas range is perfect for the gourmet cook. This unit has an extended kitchen with room for your office needs.